and welcome to the Cache Metals Market Overview. I'm Jasmine Bowen, and you are listening exclusively for AM 640. Every Thursday at 7:05 p.m., we will be bringing you news from around the globe as it affects our economy and the precious metal market. Joining us again is Robert Rosenzweig, the CEO of Cache Precious Metals. So welcome to the show, Robert.
Hi, Jasmine. Thanks for having me.
Let's get right into it. What is happening in the news this week? There's a lot going on to affect the financial sector.
Well, we had Hurricane Sandy hit us. It hit the East Coast at the beginning of the week. Actually closed stock markets down for 2 business days. They're still having massive cleanup, and it's affected with work stoppages. The economy definitely didn't need this at this point. We have elections happening next week in the States. I'll be very much tuned into that to see how that affects precious metals. The European Union just announced that they're going to loosen up its policies, trying to keep Greece in the Union. They're trying for that 11th hour save so they don't have countries defaulting one after another like a domino effect. That would certainly make that Lehman Bear Stearns incident seem very petty. We'd have that global ripple effect all over the place. And finally, I touched on this last week, and this has been very gold positive. India came back from holidays, and they saw a great buying opportunity in the precious metal sector, and they've been buying up the metals and caused a little boost for gold and silver.
Robert, you mentioned the economy is in shaky times, and a lot of people are worried about their future and their retirement fund. And I know that Cache Metals has recently acquired a great opportunity for Canadians to buy physical metals and put it in their retirement funds in their tax-free savings account. So can you explain a little bit about this?
Absolutely. I mean, thanks for touching on that. That's a very exciting sector that Cache has gotten into. We've partnered with one of Canada's prominent banks, where we act as a supplier of the metal and they act as the administrator of the RRSP and tax-free savings accounts. What ends up happening is they buy from us, the account holder opens an account with them, the metals get transferred to one of the largest third-party storage facilities in the country, and it's been a very beneficial program for us and our clients.
Now, what products do you actually offer to be held in the accounts?
It's strictly gold and silver. It's Royal Canadian minted products, 1 ounce gold and silver maple leafs, and 100-ounce silver bars.
Is there a storage fee associated with these?
Yes, it's very nominal at best. It's 10 cents an ounce for gold per month and 1.5 cents per ounce on silver per month.
Now, in these shaky times, not everyone has thousands of dollars to invest in precious metals. Is there a minimum amount that they have to have?
You'd be really surprised. Most people are transferring their existing RSPs into this sector right now. The minimum is 10 ounces of gold and 100 ounces of silver. And I would say that most people are still not even aware they've got $20,000 free that they could actually put in their tax-free savings accounts. In regards with this subject matter, you can visit cachemetals.com. There is a link, an RSP tab, that you can find out more information about this. And regarding any information whatsoever in the precious metal industry, we welcome all calls because our reps are by far the most knowledgeable in the industry.
Well, thank you very much for joining us today, Robert. That's a very exciting opportunity for Cache and for Canadians everywhere. You have been listening to the Cache Metals Market Overview exclusively for AM 640. I'll see you next week.